No, it's not focused. There we go. Let's go. It's got to be exciting. Yeah. Bloody hell, what is that?
It is a AUK USB-C adapter 3.S2 Lumia 950 and more.
Is that for your new phone?
Oh, hang on, I've got a better key. It's one of these, a micro USB 2 to USB-C adapter. So I can now.
You're going to double unbox it now?
Mobile charger. Yeah, I'm going to unbox it. My mobile charger. Which I bought. Which I don't have a video for, unfortunately. I unboxed.
Come on, it's going to be the longest unboxing video.
Got like this little, quite annoying bit of plastic on it, so buyer beware of annoying plastic.
Frustration free.
God almighty. Oh, no, it's gone.
Right, that's it. Video over.
There we go.
Should we take a look? Amazing. Is that what you get?
God, I got 3. I only wanted 1.
Bargain then. How would you rate this?
7.
Are we done?
Yes.